Welcome back to our landscape architecture deep dive. For years, the trend in high-end exterior design has leaned heavily toward minimalism, clean, straight lines, muted colors, and sparse planting. But today, we are exploring a breathtaking rebellion against that trend: Ornate Maximalist Hardscaping. This is a style that transforms the functional elements of a property, like a driveway or a front walkway, into a sprawling piece of art. It's an aesthetic designed for traditional estate-style homes, where the rich textures of brown brick and stone cladding demand an equally sophisticated landscape. Instead of stepping back, this design steps forward, utilizing intricate patterns, vibrant, highly manicured softscaping, and dramatic visual contrasts. Let's walk through the elements that make this luxurious style work so perfectly. The foundation of this ornate style lies in the hardscaping itself. Traditional driveways are often treated as an afterthought, an expanse of gray concrete or uniform asphalt. Here, the driveway is the canvas. The defining feature is the use of stark, cracked texture white stone or concrete to fill the sweeping shapes of the path. This bright, fractured surface catches the light brilliantly and provides an immediate sense of grandeur. But to keep the bright white from washing out the design, it is heavily structured by borders of reddish-brown rectangular pavers. These warm, earthy borders not only provide a visual boundary, but also echo the terracotta steps and warm wooden pillars of the home's entryway. It's a masterclass in using hardscape materials to tie the landscape back to the architecture. If you want to elevate a space from nicely paved to estate quality, you introduce geometry that challenges the eye. Rather than relying on straight lines, this design utilizes dynamic, organic curves. The sweeping edges of the driveway draw the eye seamlessly through the property, inviting guests toward the front door. But the true showstopper is the circular motif. By embedding the perfect circular medallion into the immediate foreground, formed by concentric rings of blocky, multi-toned gray and brown pavers, you create a localized focal point. It acts almost like an outdoor rug, anchoring the entrance and signaling to visitors that every square inch of this property has been intentionally designed. It breaks the monotony of the white stone and introduces a level of craftsmanship that feels historic and permanent. Maximalism in the garden doesn't mean letting plants grow wild. In fact, ornate maximalism requires intense manicuring. The garden beds here are packed tightly with a variety of materials, starting with a base of rich, dark brown soil and distinct sections of black gravel. This dark baseline acts as a shadow, allowing the plants to pop with incredible intensity. Notice the repeating geometry. Perfectly pruned, bright lime green spherical shrubs are placed throughout the beds. These vivid chartreuse globes provide a repeating visual rhythm that grounds the wilder pops of color around them. When you contrast those striking geometric greens with the loose, vibrant clusters of pink, yellow, and red flowers, you achieve a garden that feels lush and abundant, yet completely under control. texture is just as important as color. To break up the formal lines of the pavers and the clipped shrubs, large, smooth gray boulders are strategically placed throughout the beds. These boulders act as rustic edging, providing a heavy, natural weight that contrasts beautifully with the delicate, colorful flowers and the polished paving stones. On the left side of the composition, a small ornamental tree with deep reddish-pink foliage adds an asymmetrical splash of drama, its dark leaves contrasting against the bright white driveway. But as the eye moves to the front steps, symmetry returns. Two tall, narrow, conical evergreen topiaries stand like sentinels, formally framing the warm wooden entryway. This mix of wild rock, colorful foliage, and rigid topiary creates a layered, deeply satisfying visual experience. Achieving this level of ornate maximalism requires careful planning. The secret to structured maximalism is setting strict rules for your hardscape and sticking to them. Let the curves flow naturally, but bind them tightly with strong, contrasting borders. Pack your garden beds with diverse colors, but maintain order through geometric pruning. Whether you are laying a new driveway or simply rethinking your front entryway, remember that the ground you walk on can be just as expressive as the home you live in. By embracing high contrast, intricate patterns, and bold colors, you can turn a simple path into a grand entrance.